So opportunities to become a high fashion runway model are not impossible, but they are limited. Modeling for magazines, catalogs, and print ads are your best option for petite modeling. Specifically consider parts, swimsuit, and commercial modeling. Parts modeling involves modeling specific body parts like hands, feet, teeth, and eyes. Height does not matter for this type of modeling as long as you meet the aesthetic requirements for the desired body part. Body type matters more than height for swimming suit modeling. A fit body is desired more than a tall height for women is swimsuit modeling. For men, a fit and aesthetic body is more important than height. Underwear modeling have similar requirements to swimsuit modeling. The woman should be fit and curvaceous, and the men should have an athletic figure. The model being comfortable with his or her body is important in this type of modeling. Commercial modeling is aimed towards selling products. These products might be jewelry, cosmetics, cars, etc. The average height for a female commercial model is 5 to 4 and a male commercial model is around 5 to 9. Commercial modeling is a great field of model because the aim is to sell a lifestyle and models of all ages, sizes and sought after. And browse potential publications. Look for publication that you would like to be in someday. This will give you an idea of the types of jobs to pursue. Remember that high fashion modeling may be difficult to pursue, so look for publications that show off petite models. Local magazines and newspapers are good place to start modeling. Pick up local publications and browse through their advertisements. And choose a role model. There have been quite a few famous models that did not even reach 5 to 8. Some of these models are Devon Oki, 5 to 5, Eva Ford, and Twiggy, Kate Moss. These women have walked the runway and models for print publications. A few of items like Twiggy and Kate Moss are some of the most famous models in the history. A short stature may make modeling success more difficult, but it's not impossible. Be in the right location. Find out whether or not your city is a good location for petite modeling. If there are few agencies in the area, you might need to relocate to a bigger city. You may only need to relocate if you desire to become a part of a larger agency or in an area with a lot of opportunities. If you only want to do commercial modeling, a smaller city could yield enough opportunities. At this point, you should only consider making a move. Do not move until you have a portfolio and you are confident that you will be successful enough to maintain a living by modeling. In the next lecture, I will tell you how to get professional photos. So see you in the next lecture.